Right here we got the unboxing of the Mercurial Vapor 6. So yeah, this is what you get. You get a sheet glued onto the box. I remember when they were not glued on. I miss those days. And yeah, they glue it on for security, you know, so you won't lose it, which is stupid. Here's the shoe. Yeah. I got the citrus orange and the black color. It looks pretty hot. No homo. Nike Plus Soccer. I'm not gonna use that bullet crap. Oh yeah, also there's no more fly wire. And here comes the bag. All Mercurial Vapors come with a bag, and I think Superflies and stuff do too. Yeah. Oh my god, it's a bag. Alright, so yeah, here's the cleats. They're pretty nice. They look sick. The colors, they feel pretty light. So yeah, that's all I got to say. So that's what it comes with. And this is my second channel. I'm gonna have like unboxings, I guess, as well as like collections and reviews, I guess, on this channel. But check out my main channel. So yeah, subscribe. Oh my god, so shiny.